Hello, my name is James Leonard and I am the head of the 3D Design and Graphic Communication department at Esher College. And today we're going to look at some of the most frequently asked questions within the department. So, question number one is, what is the difference between 3D design and graphic communication? And the best way of answering that would be to look at what sort of projects you would do on each course. So on 3D design, you would look at doing things such as product design. So that would include things like designing children's toys, designing lighting projects and domestic products. But you'd also do things such as furniture design, or you may look at doing architectural projects ranging from small scale to large scale architectural projects. On graphic communication, you would look at doing things like branding. Now that would include looking at logo design, packaging, creating new corporate identities for organisations, as well as doing things like layout design, and as well as motion graphics, animation. So there's a wide variety of different things. So both courses are very different in terms of their outcomes, so that does enable you to do both courses if you so wish. So number two is there an exam at the end of the year? Both courses are 100% coursework, so there is no examination at the end of the year. Everything that we do is built on projects, and each project that we do builds your knowledge from one project to the next. Number three would be, what do people do after studying design at Esher College? Well, again, I think in order to answer that, it's very important to look at the combination of subjects that you may be studying. But again, a good way to look at this would be to see what sort of subjects our students have gone on to study over the last sort of few years. So if we look at 3D design, lots of our students go on to study product or industrial design. Sustainability within design is also a course that is very much on the increase. But there's also other types of designs that it would give you the skills for, such as interior design, set design, transport design. Lots of our students go on to study architecture, but also, depending on what they're combining it with, we have lots of students who go on to do engineering, whether it be mechanical or structural engineering. Within the graphic communication course, again, lots of students go on to study graphic design, but also a number of the students would actually take those skills that they've learned and then go into other courses. So it may be web design, it may be advertising, it may be looking at motion graphics, and increasingly things like games design is becoming very popular, as well as things such as creating virtual reality environments. So lots of our students are going into those sorts of courses. And that leads us to question number four, which is, what sort of skills would you learn on the course? Our aim is to give you a really good grounding. So that would involve such things as traditional drawing skills, layout skills, making skills. But we have a large emphasis on teaching you things such as industry standard software. It's really, really important that we give you those skills. But the most important thing that I would say is that we would never ever ask you to do anything that we haven't taught you to do. So everything that you actually do within the course, it would have been taught on the course. And finally, one of the questions that is often asked is, what can I do in year two? And the answer to that is, it's up to you. Year 2 of both courses are tailored to what you want to do. So if, for example, you're interested in doing architecture, we would tailor your projects in the second year towards architectural design. Equally, if you wanted to do something like illustration or animation on graphic communication, your second year projects would be geared towards that. So hopefully that answers some of your questions, and hopefully I will see you soon.